Most finance channels struggle to get attention, but Warren Buffett Wisdom found a way to turn simple money lessons into millions of views. They take timeless wealth principles and turn them into clean, animated storytelling videos that are easy to watch and impossible to ignore. No face, no expensive setup, no complicated editing, just powerful ideas presented in a simple, visual way. The reason this niche is so powerful? People will always want to learn how to make, save, and grow money. And with this style, you can educate and entertain millions without ever appearing on camera. And the craziest part? These videos can be created in under 30 minutes using AI. In this video, I'll show you exactly how they do it and how you can create the same style of videos step by step. Step 1. Generate titles. Go to the Google Docs file linked in the description. Copy the title prompt we created for you and paste it into ChatGPT. Within seconds, you'll get 10 high CTR finance titles to choose from. Step 2. Generate the script. Next, copy the script prompt from the same Google Doc. Paste it into ChatGPT and replace the title section with the title you selected in Step 1. Hit enter and you'll instantly get a full, structured script ready to use. Step 3. Create the visuals. Download a high-quality image of Warren Buffett. Then remove the background using any background removal website. We'll link the one we use in the description. After that, download script-related stock footage from websites like Pexels or Pixabay. Choose clips that match your script's message: money, business, investing, success, etc. Step 4. Add the voiceover. For voice, we need to clone voice of Warren Buffett. Download any speech of Warren Buffett from YouTube and convert it into MP3 by any external website, and then go to 11 Labs, and in the voice cloning section, insert your voice, and then your voice will be produced. And after that, put your script to make a voice on that script. Step 5. Edit the video. Import your voiceover into your editor first, then layer your stock footage on top. Add a subtle reveal or zoom effect to introduce the Warren Buffett image you removed the background from. Finally, add slight background music, soft and slow. Keep transitions clean. Maintain simple, minimal animation. That's it. Clean, professional, engaging. Step 6. Create the thumbnail. Go back to ChatGPT, the same chat where you generated your script. Type, "Make a thumbnail according to the script you provided with an image of Warren Buffett in it." It will generate a thumbnail concept for you that matches your script's theme. And that's how you make a perfect Warren Buffett-style finance video.